What are you doing, John?
Hey, Brandon. Somebody asked me to record myself reading a book.
What?
Yeah, it's called an audiobook. Apparently, they're really popular. I don't know why.
Welcome to the So-and-So Show. I'm Brandon.
And I'm John, and what's love got to do with it?
Everything, because today we're talking about a crazy little thing called love.
Some people think love is a battlefield.
Yeah, while others are all out of love.
But the truth is, you can't hurry love.
And you certainly can't buy me love.
There's no denying the power of love. Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
You're very kind.
I think you missed a few.
Cassie, what are you doing in the middle of the show?
Yeah, and there's like a million songs with love in the title, so we had to pick and choose, or this show would be very, very long.
Well, can you help me, please?
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah, well, my phone went to sleep, and I need someone to put the passcode in again.
Give it.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah, this is Cassie. She's John's cousin. She's recovering from an accident.
I walked into a glass door.
Yeah, because you were videotaping yourself and you weren't even looking where you were walking.
Well, yeah, but that video got 300,000 likes.
That is great. Okay, your phone's turned back on, and I set it so that it won't turn back off. So, come on.
Okay.
We're in the middle of a show.
Fine.
Where were we?
I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter because it's game time.
Woo! What are we playing?
I'll give you a hint. If I can name one thing that you love,
Oh, comic books, drums, red vines, Leroy Neiman paintings.
but at the same time also terrifies you, what would it be?
Wild animals!
Cassie!
What? It's true. Also, can you scratch my nose? It's driving me crazy.
You know what? You can't just run in here and ask me to scratch your nose right in the middle of a show.
Oh, it feels so good. Wait, why?
Because we're in the middle of a show.
Oh, sorry.
So was it wild animals?
Yeah. It's time to play.
Name that wild animal!
Oh, okay. I'm glad to see that we have a TV. For a minute there, I thought you were going to bring on actual wild animals.
Would I do that to you?
Yes.
You're right, but not this time. Okay, this game is simple. An image of a wild animal will pop up on the screen, but it will be way zoomed in. The first one to guess the animal wins the point.
Cool. Oh, and you out there can play along too. So see if you can beat Brandon tonight.
Yeah.
Do you mind opening this for me?
Cassie!
What? I know you're in the middle of a show, but what am I supposed to do? Thanks. Oh, I'm gonna put one in my mouth. Big one. Thank you.
Great.
I'll get that later.
Okay, first animal. Here we go. All right, that's,
Wow. Okay.
that is close.
It looks like hair.
It's so an animal with hair. Well, that narrows it down.
Yeah.
Maybe a
yellow. Oh, I think that's a stripe.
What's-
Look at that right there. I think it's a bee.
No, really? Can you? How did you do that?
Yes, I've seen these things up close way too many times.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
All right.
Open, please. Thank you.
Not here.
Next animal. Oh boy. It's kind of wrinkly. I'm guessing like elephants are wrinkly, but it's not the right color.
No,
Is it a red elephant?
No,
No,
pink,
there's no
pink
red.
elephant.
What animal's a red? Oh, is it a rooster?
What?
Rooster. Ah, look at that. Yeah,
Wow,
okay.
how did you pull that one out?
I don't
That's
know.
crazy.
It's good. We're tied.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Next animal.
Oh, it's great.
Now that.
Could be
Okay.
dog. Oh, elephant.
Well, it's a rhinoceros.
A lion.
Cassie!
Oh!
What? It was obvious.
Well, you
Way to
cannot
go.
just join in the middle of a. We're in the middle of a game show. You can't join because it's the middle of a show.
It's fine with me if she wants
See?
to play.
Fine.
All right. Okay, this is the last animal. We've got a three-way tie, so a correct guess wins. Got it? Here we go. Oh man, who can tell what that is? Is the white part of the animal? Is that like the air around it?
A giraffe.
There's no way that's a giraffe. What?
What do I win?
Nothing. Go. Get out of here. Middle of the show.
Oh.
Get out. Get out.
Right.
What? We're in the middle of a show. Can we just keep going?
Yeah, sure. Oh, it's Bible story time with Kellen.
What's up, guys?
Hey, Kellen.
Hey, do you have something you can teach us about love? We could sure use it right now.
Really? What's going on?
John's cousin Cassie.
We're fine, Kellen. I can't wait to hear the story. In fact, you need some help? I'll help you.
I wasn't really planning on having anyone
Oh, how about this? You tell the story and I'll provide the illustrations.
Sure. I didn't know you were an artist, John.
No, I am today. Let's art this thing up. Come on. Ooh, colors.
All right, here we go. Well, today's story starts from the very beginning. In the beginning, there was nothing. But God was so full of love that he created the heavens and the earth. And the earth was formless and empty.
Boom!
I think you really captured the formless part.
Thank you.
Can you turn on the TV? I don't really know how to work this remote.
Not now, Cassie. Me and Kellen are telling a Bible story about love.
Oh.
Go!
Okay.
Continue, Kellen.
So, then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. I'll take it. God gathered the water into one place, and dry land appeared. That's a nice beach chair.
First one ever.
God said, "Let the land produce plants and trees that grow fruit."
All right. Huh? B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
God separated the day from the night. Then God's imagination went into overdrive. God filled the seas and the sky with living creatures, birds that flew and fish that swam.
Oh, yeah. The dolphin is sort of flying, but you get the point. It's in the water.
Then God said, "Let the land produce every kind of living creature." And the land exploded with life. Is that a unicorn?
Were you there?
No, I wasn't. Then God said, "Let us make human beings so they are like us. Let them rule over the fish, the birds, and all the creatures." So God created a man.
Man!
Later, God said, "It is not good for the man to be alone. I will make a helper who is just right for him." So God brought all the creatures to Adam to see what names he would give them.
I would have gone with long neck Spotty, but Adam went with giraffe.
Yep. Adam didn't find a helper that was right for him. So God made woman called Eve. Really something.
I know.
God made people to take care of the world and to love each other. God looked at creation and saw that it was very good. The end.
I even gave him credits.
I gotta say, John, I'm very impressed with your drawings. I don't think I'll ever think about creation in quite the same way.
Oh, thanks, Kellen. Great story.
I'm so glad God knew it wasn't good for Adam to be alone.
Yeah, that was cool.
It's true. God knew that we would need each other. We're better together. We need people to care for, and we need people to care for us.
Yeah.
Thanks for your help, Kellen. See you next time.
See ya.
I see what you did there.
What did I do?
Cassie!
What?
Cassie, I'm sorry I wasn't kind or helpful or loving. In fact, I was downright rude. Is there anything I can do for you?
Well, I do need help clipping my toenails.
Reveal the question. Oh, how do you know when someone loves you?
Well, they take care of you when you're down or hurt and ask if there's anything that you can do.
Instead of yelling at you and telling you to get lost.
So what do you think? How do you know when someone loves you?
Yeah, talk about it together.
We'll see you next week for a brand new show.
Now, about those toenails, though.
Oh, you know what? I just remembered I had to be somewhere yesterday and I forgot today.
But they're really long. Ow, 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 ow. That's tasted yummy. Thanks. Perfect.
No.
Did you catch that?
Oh.
No, you just gotta lick it. You just gotta lick it.
It went off your tongue to your nose, to your tongue, to your nose, and it was awesome.
This is it. This is the one.
Okay, here we go. I love
Oh.
that. Ow.
Not very
My
good.
neck.
Oh, you want a gummy?
I'd love it. Oh, that's perfect. Get my glucose in there. That tastes delicious.
I thought it might.